Jimmy Chang has been home on unpaid leave since Taiwan's government tightened its pandemic restrictions last week. The gym he manages will be shut until mid-June at the earliest.
It worries me a lot. If the situation gets worse, my income will be affected. I may not be able to support my family.
Until this month, the island had been reporting single-digit cases. It reported around 670 infections on Thursday. Malaysia is also battling a surge. There's been a 5-fold increase here since the start of the year. This week, it recorded an average of 60 deaths a day since Monday. Its health services are under strain, and the Director General has warned the country must prepare for the worst. The government has tightened restrictions by, among other things, banning domestic travel and social activities. But it has resisted a full lockdown, citing fears of an economic disaster. The government has instead urged Malaysians to go on a self-imposed lockdown and stay home as much as possible. In Australia's southern state of Victoria, people will have to remain home except for essential business. A new cluster of infections was detected in Melbourne this week, and cases are expected to rise in the coming days. Many countries in the region appeared to have the virus under control last year, but they've fallen behind on vaccination.
Vaccination is the only way to lead us out of this pandemic. Unfortunately, the supply of vaccines in the whole Asia is disproportionately low because it will take 1 or 2 years for the whole region to reach the herd immunity.
The pace of inoculation is slowly picking up. Japan, set to host the Summer Olympics in July during a worsening COVID-19 crisis, is ramping up its vaccination campaign. Vietnam, once a success story, but now battling its largest outbreak of the virus, has set up a special fund to drive its vaccination program. Florence, Looi, Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.